why there's 9.
I wonder why you're so hurry with the cigarette.
Because you stuck his your hand in the whatever.
I want to know what causes their motion light to go on like this. So it's...
He's gonna leave that door open.
Jason's still in there.
I know, he's gonna leave that door open.
Oh, good.
Why is he going to leave the room?
He's done.
68 degrees.
It's fucking cold.
I know.
Where are we lighting candles?
No, I just wonder why there's 9.
16 candles.
Candles where?
Sorry, Wald.
Why do you ask me if there's 9? Why don't you ask
No,
the
I'm
maker?
asking why 9.
Why don't you ask the maker?
Happy May.
I asked him, but he didn't answer. He said, "Go to sleep."
Where are the 9 candles?
Right there in front of the TV.
Where fucking let it go?
Actually, now
Bonjour.
there's fucking 12. You want to wear?
Bonjour.
Oh my god.
Say it.
Bonjour.
Frenching me? Why are you Frenching me?
9 candles. What the
We're
fuck?
gonna look at this tomorrow and be like, what the
Yes.
fuck?
Come on, yes.
Oh.
Come on, yes. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She'll take blankets. Dublin, no.
I don't want to get in there. Come on.